What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Don, back with another video. It's been a little while since I posted on the channel. So today it's a nice day outside, so I've decided to make a little video for you guys. The channel's finally hit 5,000 very much appreciated, and I wanted to thank you guys for all the support y'all been showing to the channel. I don't post much videos, but I do run a lot of shorts on the channel. But I'll be picking up my slack, hopefully, once I get some good time to make some videos for y'all. I'll be sure to be pumping them out as much as I can. But today, I'm going to show y'all my first round of young birds that I've bred so far for this year, this 2026 season. So let me turn the camera around for y'all and show y'all. As you can see, I got them out here in the cage, a little crate. I want them to see their surroundings. I'll be moving them into the loft. I have been currently keeping them in the cages. Best way you could monitor their health and keep the birds really in good shape. But today they will be moving into the loft. I've been going through them. We got a couple nice ones here. Let me show y'all. This here is BRA6. One of my personal favorites out the bunch. Very nice. Strong back already. So overall nice bird. Can't wait to see what it does. Trying to get away here. BRA6. Wish him luck. Here we got a nice blue bar splash. This is off the Alex Beach hen. And the Aranya Loft cock. Prince of Minnesota. Very nice pigeon here. This is BRA9. This is my favorite one so far. Beautiful little hen. This is from ACL 14. A best kiddo hen. Paired to 6446, a splash cock. That was a gift from a good friend. And these babies are coming out amazing. Look at this bird here. Very calm. This bird's been like this from the nest bowl. Very nice pigeon. Here we got BRA7. Almost at 6. Very nice bird. This is the nest mate to the first bird. Very nice pigeon here. It's off the Thomas 6 cock and the best kiddo hen. Very nice bird. BRA7. Roscoe. This is BRA5. Nice blue bar. Looks to be a cock. Very big wings on this bird. It's a beautiful specimen. Here we got BRA11. Very nice bird here. Nice strong back. 1-1 flight. Very long wings. It's a very beautiful pigeon. Like all of them. Look at this guy. Here we got a nice grizzle. It's a dark grizzle. See the white coming in. I feel like this bird will molt. End up a white pigeon. But we'll see with time. It's a very nice little grizzle. Strong back. Looking real good. BRA2. Second bird. Banded. Here we got BRA1. First banded bird this season. Very nice little young bird. Very squirmy. Small. This bird's already been out. Spooky bird.